Guys, 5 things I experienced as a content creator this 2025. Things I don't want it to repeat itself 2026, and I want to do some changes so that it's not gonna happen again during 2026. I'm gonna share you guys in this particular video. I'm gonna share with you guys things I faced as a content creator this 2025, as a TikToker, Facebook, Snapchat, YouTube, and other social media platforms. Things I have. Number one is inconsistent with my posting. So guys, in this 2025, I have faced a lot. I have been doubting myself these days as a content creator this 2025. I don't know what has been wrong with me because as a content creator, I'm not just adding all the content creator, I'm also adding school and also other stuff. I've been inconsistent with my posting. Sometimes I judge my content. I don't know what to do. I just post random content. I just post random times things I don't want, like I don't want to do it. I keep on doing them. I kept on judging my videos. I keep on posting different type of times, like no like I didn't put all my action into videos. I was just like, let me just post it. So that's my number one thing I've experienced as a content creator this 2025, and I don't want it to repeat itself. um Number two is overthinking content ideas. Guys, this is particular one that has been wrong with me this 2025. Like, I have been worried about my content. Like, I have been telling myself bad things like about my videos. Oh my god, this video did not perform very well. I should not post. Let me just delete it. But guys, oh my god, I can't actually believe it. Sometimes, yeah, the content you believe that is not gonna perform well is exactly the content that's gonna perform well. So I've faced a lot this 2025 with overtaking my content ideas. So I don't know what to post, I don't know what to do, I don't know what to even do, like I thought. So these are the things I'll make sure I change 2026. Number three is burnout from doing too much. So guys, there's also an important one that I would like to change. Like, I would like to completely change. Like, it's the most I must change it with God's grace. So guys, during the 25, many of you might not know, I am active on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Snapchat, and other social media platforms. Do you guess what I do? Whenever I upload a video on TikTok, I make sure I upload on my social media platform. So this 2026 that's coming very soon, I will make sure I calm myself, make sure to think too hard before uploading to other social media, take it easy on myself. Or now I'm going to be uploading my videos to Facebook and other social media platform, because Facebook and TikTok are my main one, while Snapchat and YouTube are my like just a part-time one. Like, I'm gonna take seriously. So yeah, that's exactly what I've been facing on. So burning out from doing too much. I've just been doing too much lately. Think doing like a robot, like being active on all social media platforms at once, and it is so very frustrating. Like guys, the pain and everything. Like you being consistent on each every other platform, and you are not giving, like the platform is not giving you reason why you should keep on pushing and why you should keep on pushing. So that is exactly the thing I have faced this 2025, and I don't want to experience it this 2026. I hope things change. Number four, I have experienced, like I have absolutely experienced, is comparing myself with other creators. Guys, you might not know, but I'm kind of jealous. Like, I'm kind of jealous. I have experienced a lot as a content creator, and I don't actually blame myself for feeling jealous, like comparing myself with other creators, like my friends who are also other content creators that also do the same content I do, and they are getting more perform videos than me. Sometimes I do overthink. Sometimes I feel like the algorithm is kind of cheating, like a lot of things. Like, I feel like the algorithm is kind of cheating and all of that, because I have put in all my oil in shooting content. Like, I shoot a lot of content in a day. Like, it's so very touching when you upload a particular video and that particular video is not performing well, and why you see other your friends, like they are just posting the videos of them looking at themselves, and they are getting more views. Like the pain, like the torture on everything, like it's unbelievable. Like, you won't be able to like believe it. So I don't blame myself for, because in this life, yeah, you must have friends that support your content a lot, because at this YouTube, all social media platform, I've said to them that at least 30% of your friends must be engaging in your content. If 30% to 50% of your friends are not engaging your content, you go nowhere. Like, you go nowhere. So it has been a very hard one for me this 2025, and I hope so I do change this at my 2026. Thank you. Number five I have faced is not asking for help. This one, I don't know, like I don't know how to control it, but I have been feeling like I can handle everything by myself, editing, like shooting, like everything. I feel like I can handle them by myself, but not knowing that deep down me, I cannot handle it myself. So it has been a lot, like it's like absolutely been a lot for me handling everything myself with no social person admin to help me with help me manage my account or whatever. I have nobody, but I'm still working on that, collaborating with other creators, but it has not been easy collaborating with other creators. So yeah, I've been doing not asking for help. I've been too shy, feeling like I could do them myself, but not knowing that I can't do it. So it has been a lot. So I will try my best to change this 2026. I don't want that to repeat itself again. So those are the things I am leaving behind this 2026. Like I don't want that to repeat himself this 2026. Like I want to change the way I think, the way I do my things, and the way I react to things I do. So that is exactly things I'll be changing. And also 2025 has been full of lesson, growth, a lot of feelings like emotion and a lot of things. And yeah, as we say, um a good ending to 2025. See you guys next year 2026. Please make sure you do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Vibe with Trust PD. Let us get to 400. So thank you guys.